Welcome back to Nisdotexe. This week on the episode of my series of going over my experiences as a data analytics student and data science student. Last week, I kind of had a lot to do. That's why I'm late with the video. I had to basically take care of personal life stuff. Like I'm not gonna say it, but it's an exam to get rid of something. Um, so I went ahead and did that. I had to catch up on some homework for my intro data analytics class, which I'm kind of almost getting to get clept, you can say, with the certification of Google Data Analytics, which keeps paying off. So I'm going to talk about that later on in the video. But basically, this last week has been a lot of catching up, and I feel quite accomplished compared to last week, where I had a little bit of imposter syndrome, where I just thought I wasn't good enough, and to do the things that I wanted to do at work, and also to do the things I am doing academically. And a catalyst for that was getting a C on the midterm for my intro to data analytics class, which now I kind of see was a major accomplishment, seeing that I was on call and getting constant phone calls from work to fix a problem while I was taking the midterm itself. Sorry, I spit there. But yeah, it's quite an accomplishment to take a midterm exam and get a C in a midterm exam while you're getting distracted by multiple calls to actually fix something that's quite urgent. So I got that done. And over with for feeling sorry for myself. And I got to it. I got to the ground running. I put my feet to the ground and I started running. And I got another certification, which is Oracle for Developers Foundation, which will basically count towards my midterm exam in one of my classes, which is database concepts. And I feel quite accomplished in doing that. I did that today. I find that Oracle is a little bit different. It has a little bit more granularity to it, rather over T-SQL. Maybe I'm not in the certification for T-SQL yet, and I'm not seeing the granularity controlling certain aspects of it. But Oracle has a lot of granularity when you're talking about like I still don't get it quite the concepts which like a lock, pessimistic locks and all this stuff where users are doing thing or loss updates where one person's updating, one person's coming after it and updating it after the fact. This pertains to developers and their programming, where somebody does something in the system, it updates, and somebody comes right behind them and updates it, which loses the first person's update. So yeah, I don't know about that yet. That's something more for developers and application designers, which is what the professor wanted us to do and get that certification, which I need to better understand, but not really, because I'm a analyst or data scientist, not a developer, which is a distinction. So moving on, I applied to do the Google Data Analytics certificate. I went through to the college, and that Google Data Analytics certificate was accepted. So I get basically 12 credits that I could apply towards, and one of the four credits, the four credits I can apply towards one of my classes is one that I'm in right now, and I'm most likely getting that dropped without consequences, so I don't have to pay for anything or anything. So that's one less burden on myself to do work, and that is the class that I got a C in. So I basically don't don't have to like stress myself out and looking toward exams or quizzes and having to get an A. I've been stressing myself out lately to do that, and I don't need to do it. I just don't need to do it anymore. I don't need to stress out. So I'm really, really happy about that. And I'm really looking forward to continuing on this journey with data analytics and learning new things. And I appreciate you guys watching these videos to keep up with me. I know I'm learning all this thing. I'm just trying to be consistent here with YouTube and holding myself accountable to you know informing about this journey and informing you guys what it takes to be a data analyst student and analyst, in the process of which I get there, like basically week to week. So thank you for watching these videos. If you want to support me, just hit the subscribe button or comment below and let me know what you're thinking. And thank you again. I keep on saying thank you, but I can't say thank you enough for watching these videos. Always remember, your joy equals happiness. Peace out, everybody.